Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Speedy back with another banger video here, y'all. And for y'all today, y'all read that thumbnail and title. Yes, boys and girls. Dang. Yes, boys and girls, we are gonna be putting on a license plate cover. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. So let's go ahead, open up this trunk. Oh my god, it's like I gotta clean this right every week. Yo, this car gets so dirty so fast, but y'all see it, y'all see we got the license plate cover right here. Now let me go ahead and demonstrate it for y'all. So boom, ski, you want to put that into the cigarette lighter right there. Boom. All the way up. I think so, at least. Yup. Yes sir, yes sir. Yup, y'all see it, so boom, that is what we will be installing into the car today. And I ain't gonna lie, y'all, I literally got this off TikTok shop, got it like Tuesday, Wednesday. It came today. I ain't gonna lie, it's a little beat up already, and I'm not the most excited about that, but hey, as long as it works and it does what it has to do, I promise y'all I'm never getting a ticket again with this, unless I just forget to have this joint down or up or whatever. I am never going to get a ticket again. Boom. So let's start off by putting the old license plate into this one. Let's go ahead and start off with that. Yo, it just cut the shit out. Yo, that's a deep cut, bro. I didn't even peep that it cut me. Nah, that's a deep cut. Since I don't even play with cuts like that, YouTube, we had to go ahead and throw on the gloves real quick. Boom. Oh my god, I feel it. It's actually starting to hurt now. Oh my gosh, bro. I can never, every single time I work on this car, I somehow get hurt, bro. Every single time, bro. Every single time I work on this car, I get hurt somehow. Oh, okay, no, I definitely need to put that back on then. Yeah, I definitely need to put that back on then. Hold on. Oh, it's right here. Oh my god, I can feel my finger bleeding, bro. Yeah, I'm gonna probably have to take this part off too. But for that, we're gonna need these. So let's go ahead and do this. Freaking mosquito tried to get me right there. Hell nah, boy. And we done already ran into our first problem, and I'm glad I test fitted this. Because it's not looking like it's gonna work right now. I'm not gonna lie. Where are the holes at? Unless, because there's no holes right there. Do I have it up? I think I have it upside down too. I definitely feel like I got this whole upside down too. I mean, it's still not fitting regardless, but I think I got this one upside down. Oh, fuck it. This is quite the dilemma. It won't fit up there and it won't fit up there. This seems to be the only other way. I ain't gonna cap. So we just gonna do this. Let's try one of these. Ouch, yeah, that makes a difference too. And also, I might actually just have to take the whole thing off. Yeah, because that's not even gonna fit. So actually what I'm thinking about now is those two screws are in the middle. Okay. I also don't feel like returning this because Nah, I ain't gonna lie, there's no way. There's no way. What we're gonna do is, I can see the holes from right here. What we're gonna do is, dang, already taking up 6 minutes of recording. Golly, hold on. Bet YouTube, after a couple retrofitting attempts, after a couple hole attempts, we had to finally got it up in there. We can finally put our license plate back in there too. Let's go ahead and do that right now. We gotta get it under. I can't see that thing. Dang. Gotta get it under there and through there. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay, bet. That was probably low-key. I ain't gonna lie, that was probably the hardest part, honestly. Well, no. That was not the hardest part. The hardest part now is getting all these clips off. And to be honest, I don't even know exactly how to get all these clips off, but it's gotta be self-explanatory, right? You just gotta take these clips off. Gotta take these clips off one at a time. Boom. Like that. Take all these clips off. Boom, like that. Boom, take all these clips off. Take all these clips off. Boom, like that. Boom. We running through this. We running through this. Boom, gotta take all. Oh no, hold on. I don't want to break it. Boom, too far. Boom. Let's take all these clips off. Yep. Oh, there we go. There we go. Look at that. It's already starting to come off now. Yep. Already starting to come off. We need to get to right here. We need to get to right there. I don't know how we're gonna get that off. Phone is about to die. Bet YouTube, we've got it all off now. There actually is, so once you've taken it all off, everything should really just pop out of place. When you get to this part, you're gonna wanna push down right here on this little tab. Okay. Right here. This is how you control your trunk, how it goes up and down. You're gonna wanna press right here. Mine's, I didn't really have to press that much. I kind of just pulled it right out and it came right out. So here's this. Boom. What we wanna do now is we wanna get this light. Probably wanted to have gotten it out first, but hey, that's neither here nor there right now. We're just trying to actually want to take that out. Let's go ahead and let's just try and take this bad boy out for right now. Okay, so you want to switch to your flathead side. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try and pry this open as much as I possibly can right now without breaking anything. And if I can do that first try, nigga, BMW, hire a nigga. Hire a nigga. Hire me ASAP. Hire me ASAP. This is no YouTube video, by the way. No YouTube. This is no YouTube video. This is no YouTube video, by the way. This is no YouTube video. This is all off the muscle. This is all off the muscle. Boom. I think that was really the hardest part. I'm gonna be honest. Now, it's really just like this is gonna be the easiest part right here. Boom. So we're gonna want it I'm gonna unravel this. Boom. And we're gonna want that to go from here all the way. All the way. I ain't gonna lie, for me, I don't really care if there's cord showing, as long as it ain't too much. Honestly though, if I can take the hell is this? I don't even know what this is. This is my first time seeing that. If I can get the freaking, oh yeah, hold up. Okay. If I can get the freaking, hold on YouTube. This is like a Lego set, bro. Like, this is so easy actually. I want this to come up real quick, I ain't gonna lie. Okay. Boom. Oh my gosh, look at all this stuff that's in there. Boom. Bro, this is literally so easy. Is it literally off? Yo, this is actually so easy. You wanna come back over here now? We're gonna wanna just place all of our stuff. Literally. We're gonna wanna put all of this underneath. We're gonna wanna put all of this stuff underneath. Hold on, put all this stuff on the ground right now. I don't need this right now. That's not important right now. What's important is this right now, okay? You got all that, got all that. I want to tuck that in, slide that on through, like so, like so. You want it to be as clean as possible. Well, me, I want it to be as clean as possible, so I'm just gonna freaking put all this stuff as clean as possible. Then, you know, we're gonna hide that up under there like so. Up under there like so. Boom, just have it tucked away like that. Tucked away just like that, YouTube. We can put that up now. We can, most likely, yeah, because if we need more, we can still keep pulling too. We can keep pulling too, but what I think I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna freaking, I'm gonna leave it right there for right now. I'm gonna leave it right there for right now. Okay. Okay. Kind of hard part is putting this stuff back. But for the majority though, we should be good. Okay. Okay. Can't even see it, YouTube. Can't even see that hoe. Literally can't even see that hoe. We are fucking Gucci right now, bro. Everything still goes back in place. That works, boom. Gucci. Oh dang, sorry baby girl, her stuff got on the floor. Boom, we're Gucci. Now, all we gotta do now is run this wire up through here, right here, and connect it like so. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, we in the money with it. We're in the money with it, chat. We're literally in the money with it. Okay, now all I gotta do is, all I gotta do now is, I wanna actually, no, I might undo that actually, because I don't want it like all up in the way for real. So what I'll probably do is, I could either zip tie it. All right, bet YouTube. It's in. Everything should be working. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Nothing is snagging either. Oh yeah, nah, this is sweet YouTube. This, I gotta put this joint back on. It's crazy. I know exactly what car that is too. Boom. All right, hold on. Let's turn the car on real quick. Make sure everything works. Alrighty. Boom. So now it should be on. It should be on. That light comes back on. That light comes on. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh, it's not plugged in, that's why. I was like, hold up now, don't tell me it's already broken. Yes, sir, there we go. There we go. Hold on, let's make sure this joint work. All right, okay, it's not gonna work like that. Boom, that works. Hold on. You already know that worked. You already know that worked. Let's make sure this works. Oh, my freaking camera died. No wonder. No freaking wonder. Boom. You know that works. Go turn that joint around. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No more toes. No more toes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, yeah. We cook it up with this one. Boom. Zip tie right there. Or no, I could do this. Because we know we need that much slack. We know it can come down and still go up pretty good with that much slack. And just zip tie the rest just like that. So I'm thinking about doing. It is finally finished and installed. That joint looking sweet. It looks normal. It looks fine. It looks calm, right? It looks cool, right? Yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. And let's go ahead and open it up. It looks so clean too, bro. Still have all your functionality. All the lights still work. I mean, I gotta clean this up a little bit. That's gonna be like that. But besides that, YouTube, everything is fine. Everything is still working. Just always remember, if you're gonna do this, just make sure you just tie this part up, and it's gonna look so much cleaner. You're not gonna get all them droopy ropes. Even this a little bit, I'm not the biggest fan of, but I mean, how else am I supposed to do? Ooh, well, I mean, low key, I could put it in here. I could put it in here and then run it through that way. Hold on, cause I could. I ain't got time for all that. I ain't got time for all that. But YouTube, that is. Yes, sir. That joint looking tough. That is going to be the end of today's video. If you did like that and you want to see more, be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And go ahead and hit that notification bell so you can get more videos like this. Cause come on now. Like, bro. Police better hope I don't run. Police better hope I don't run, because you're not getting no license plate. You're not getting no license plate. But like I said, be sure to drop a like, comment, and subscribe. And this is your boy Speedy. Speedy out.
Paint the city red, ain't got no remorse for no fuck, nigga. My wrist cost a nigga, them motherfucker. I get nasty, drop a bag and have your cousin touch you up.